All right, Alex, you've had some beta testers out there. So says my sheet. Um, what kind of results are they seeing? Let's talk throughput, distance, all of those things. What are you guys hearing back from your beta testers?
Yeah, we're very excited about what we've been seeing. I would say that it's kind of, since we do so much planning and so much understanding of the technology. What I always say is we're getting what we expect. And unfortunately, with the black eye that TV Whitespace has gotten in the past, you weren't getting what you expect. But since we put our planning tools in place and the design tools in place, we're getting what we would expect. It's kind of hard to say distances because it's, people are looking at this for non-line of sight, and there's, vegetation and hills and mountains, etc. But,
Okay.
if I was going to throw out some very, basic numbers, don't hold me to this, of course, I'm sure you won't, but, we like to go with just some of the very basic throughput that we see, like in RDOF, like a 25.3 connection. And we're getting those, several miles out on just, a 2-channel capacity, a very basic 10 megahertz channel, which is, 2 channels, aggregated together, 25.3 out, to, at least, 3-ish miles. We're very happy, with that. Obviously, that can go up, based on the environment, based on vegetation, based on distances, etc. But we are very, very enthusiastic and optimistic as we, deploy this in we're rolling it out right now in a controlled GA environment, and getting it into more and more customers' hands in different environments and different solutions across the country.
Very cool. And it's March 3rd, 2021. This stuff is shipping today. Is that right, Alex?
Yeah, that's correct. And we're very happy to have you and Wave on board with providing what we're doing and I've talked about processes and tools and all that stuff, ad nausea and constantly, but, one aspect of the process are some starter kits. And the starter kits are where we want a customer to, it's a base station, a couple of accessories, couple subscriber units to be able to initially put those up, deploy those.